Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy Thursday. Sun is shining here in Chicago. Rains will be moving across the Midwest in the next couple of days. The market is perceiving long-range weather map calls for normal to above temps for most of the Midwest and normal rainfall, except maybe in the northern plains. Globally, we're still watching all the effects of El Nino and what it might have on a weaker Indian monsoon, what it might have effect on the palm oil production in Malaysia and Indonesia, any effect it might have on northern China as far as less rain than normal. Historically, El Ninos are good for U.S. corn and soybean summer yield prospects. The only other issue might be some of the areas of West Africa and northern Brazil. A little bit of talk about some dryness in Europe, and in fact it might affect the wheat crops there. That dryness may also be extending into parts of Russia. Overnight bean prices up about 4 cents. Corn and wheat's down about a penny. Dollars lower. Not a lot of trade action right now. We're waiting for the export sales data. It should show steady corn sales. Oat bean sales we're watching pretty closely to see if there's any more sales there. Yesterday we heard a lot of talk about in China, domestic meal prices are historically low and some of the feed buyers are backing away from some of the meal they had bought earlier at higher prices. We're also getting a feeling that maybe some of the soybean imports to China might slow down a little bit because of the rapid pace that's expected for imports in the next few months. Wheat sales expected to be on the low side. A lot of competition for U.S. wheat exports, but wheat is probably more of an issue of the U.S. crop. Yesterday we saw a private estimator increase the South American soybean crops 2 million metric tons. He left the U.S. wheat crop unchanged and globally increased corn production a little bit, mostly in the Ukraine. So the market kind of reacted to that to a little bit of softer tone. Domestic basis, special end beans are stronger. Corn basis kind of on the soft side with a lot of corn movement in the last couple of days by farmers selling their 2014 corn. So basically, the next USDA report's June 10th. We'll see what they have to say about demand and carryouts. Overnight prices, beans a little bit better, corn and wheat a little bit lower. Nice sunny day here in Chicago. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.